Hi guys, it's Gordon, and guess what? Puberty's followers have been voting to decide the world's best cuisine, and it is my pleasure to finally announce the winner. Now, after millions of votes in Puberty's biggest ever, you decide the #1 cuisine across the planet is Moroccan cuisine has been crowned the champion. Congratulations to the Moroccan cuisine. My last time in Morocco in the Atlas Mountains with the Berbers, I got the amazing chance to cook that delicious chicken rafisa, one of my favorite all-time dishes. So a big congratulations to Morocco, but more importantly, a big thank you to you for all of your votes.